Well, son of a bitch, a gun. I found the culvert. Here it is right there. Whew. So now I got to clean out all this right here. There's all kinds of rocks and everything else, but that kicked my ass. Okay, so in the previous video I found the culvert. I got water running down. Problem is there's so much garbage. Here, if you look over there, there's an old fender or something to come off the hill. I got glass mixed up in with this, so I can't use my hands. Where is it? There you go. I got glass. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a bunch of this smaller rock and I'm putting it in the driveway, and then I'll have to order some gravel for the driveway because it's pretty much impassable. But we'll see what we got going. Filling this little cart up with some of these bigger rocks for the driveway. Yeah, I can only put so much in. That tongue weight right there, about 400 pounds maybe, so we don't want to break our trailer. But this is what I'm doing today. Okay, so I've taken some of that actually bigger rock, not the smaller rock, and I've tried to fill this in. The state come by and they cleaned out the culvert, but that's all they did. They didn't fill back in their trench that they left. So I guess that's on me. I'm not going to even deal with it. I'm just taking some of this bigger rock from the culvert upper part of the driveway, filling it in. I get number 2 driveway gravel, but they're out, so I got to wait a couple days. And our problem here is this is solid bedrock right here. There's nothing I can do about this. And I've already walked up here a ways. I mean, it goes up there quite a bit, and there's no way I can deter any of this water. This is just the natural valley, and so water is always going to come down here. So I'm thinking we're going to have a problem with this, but it is what it is, and we'll get some gravel in here and get this driveway fixed up. I can probably get through with the truck now, but motorcycle ain't coming down this, and it's supposed to be in the 80s, possibly 90. Oh.